Moving on into Unit 5, the unit circle. You need to know these values for all 6 of the trigonometric functions on the unit circle in all quadrants. And pretty much I think that we do know them, we just need to refresh them. And that's what we're doing as we're studying for our exam. So study and retain this information forever. These questions will be mixed in throughout the exam, and here are some that you can expect. So it says if sine of theta equals -1/2, then the cosecant of theta, or remember, cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, so this is -2. If sine of theta equals the square root of 3 over 2, then the cosecant is going to be the reciprocal of that, which is 2 over the square root of 3. And then remember, we don't want to have a radical in the denominator, so we'll rationalize that by multiplying by the square root of 3 over the square root of 3. And when we do that, we end up with 2 square root of 3 over 3. If tangent equals 0, then if we take the reciprocal, that's going to give us undefined. Because it's going to be 1 over 0, and we're not allowed to have 0 in the denominator. If cosecant equals negative the square root of 2, then our sine. Well, once again, the reciprocal would be 1 over square root of 2. We'll scoot that up a little bit. Maybe write it over here, actually. And then, I know it's negative, so we're going to leave that as negative. But then we're going to multiply by the square root of 2 here and the square root of 2 here. When we multiply it, 1 times square root of 2 is the square root of 2. Square root of 2 times square root of 2 is square root of 4, which is 2. If tangent is undefined, well, then our cotangent is going to be 0. We go over here to more the right-hand column. The nice thing is that we kind of have the work done for us already on at least a couple of these. It says if cosine of theta equals the square root of 2 over 2, then secant. Secant being the reciprocal of cosine, so this is going to be 2 over the square root of 2. And again, what happens is we multiply by the square root of 2 over 2 when we rationalize. We end up with 2 square root of 2 over 2, and the 2's cancel out. So we get the square root of 2. Luckily, I've got some space here. If the cosine of theta equals -1, then the secant is the reciprocal of that, which is still -1. If tangent of theta equals negative the square root of 3 over 3, then we're going to take the reciprocal of that. I'm going to write this up here, so it's 3 over square root of 3. Yes, I know it's negative. I'll just write that down. It's not going to fit in there very well, but I will write in the fact that it's negative. And what we're going to do is we're going to multiply by square root of 3 over 3. And we end up with 3 square root of 3 over 3. Square root of 3 times square root of 3 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. 3's cancels out, and we get the square root of 3. And the nice thing is here, if you think about it, on cotangent, we're just going the other direction. And if you really want to see the work, we're taking the reciprocal, so this is 3 over the square root of 3. We're going to rationalize by multiplying by the square root of 3 over square root of 3, and we get 3 square root of 3 over square root of 9, which is 3. And then what happens is we get square root of 3. It's really the same math that we just did on the tangent. And finally, if cotangent of theta equals 1, then when we take the reciprocal of that, we get 1.